Every other day, every other man say they're on fire. But baby, on that, on that, on that, on that. You better don't drop that thing, yeah. On that, on that. So girl, you got a whole lot. You better don't drop that thing, yeah. Tequila me tipo con coquino. Oh, need you. Now you got that oh, need you. Now your problem, oh. But we like the problem, oh. Baby, oh. I like it, oh. Other boys love it, oh. I want to hold it, oh. Yeah. Slay it, yo. Slay my I said the one you nail it, yo. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, yeah. Girl, you got on it. Oh, yeah. Girl, you got that roll it. Slay mama.
Yes, good evening, everybody. Good evening, Nigeria. This is Funky D. Alright, so today we'll be talking about that man when that our Aso Rock, what they call Mr. President Jubri. Not even Buhari again. Jubri. Can you imagine the APC people led by Osinbajo as a vice president of the nation, then go bring somebody when they call Mr. Jubril from Sudan, take replace Buhari. Oyibo people, they call them cloning. They go clone them. I've been at surgery, they go do like Buhari, make it they talk like Buhari, make it they waka like Buhari, make it they speak like Buhari, make it they do anything like Buhari. But sometimes this Jubri, they forget the thing when the cabal don't coach them. The way when you go they act, the way when they position that in hand, the way when they walk, the way when you go they, you know. And when you see this man hand is fresh, it's even fresher than mine. Look at my hand. Go check that president of Nigeria now in hand. Go check out in face how he fresh like a young man of 57 or 58 years old. So, Nnamdi Kanu don't tell us say Buhari don't die since. Died in London, but were buried in Saudi Arabia for a very long time now, 2015. And the APC people, they're quiet. Obasanjo, they're quiet. Tinubu, they're quiet. Osinbajo, they're quiet. Make you see how these people, then they betray Nigeria. Make you see their mago when they don't start since the military regime reach today. Not the same thing. One development we never see for our country. Then they clone somebody from Sudan, whether not North or whether not South Sudan or wherever. I don't would Funky D not know where the man come from. But Nnamdi Kanu say in get the evidence, say in they come back making unmask this man. You know unmasking. We're gonna unmask Jubri when they represent our president. When you and I voted in to represent us in the country. The APC member and the PDP member, they went on to clone somebody, brought somebody from other country to represent Muhammadu Buhari when don't die. According to Mr. Kanu, say Buhari don't die. But Funky, this thing they think and say, man, this thing one cannot talk. If it be true, because the man hand come fresh, in face come fresh, and I come here say get the time when the man travel. You be like saying abroad they go or somewhere when he go and say come back. You know say that done when Mr. Buhari they take enter inside in Aso Rock there, then they use fingerprint. Now fingerprint they take open up, but the cabal they forget. As this man when they call Jubri, I see enter now I want open the door. I see put in hand now. Door not open. Door not open. Now be say no be Buhari. And the cabal they come hide again, do their mago, change the whole doors one day for Aso Rock. change the whole thing, the whole system. When they for Buhari before, even in fingerprint, everything, they can't change her, can't replace her with this person when they answer Jubri. Waiting we do now, APC. Waiting Nigerian people do now, PDP. Osubanjo, Obasanjo, Fashola, Tinubu, una go say una no know this thing. When we say now una get the country, una they act like say now una get the country. Tinubu know this thing. Osubanjo know this thing. Obasanjo know this thing. Amechi know this thing. Nyasanweke know this thing. All the whole governors, all the whole APC and PDP member, everybody, all of them, they know about this. They know that the person there is an impostor. They just carry this person, come from another country, make it the. Can't you see how wicked these people are? And the people are still glamoring for Buhari, glamoring for APC and PDP, calling Tinubu, calling Obasanjo every day by day to come and disturb Funky D here. Why are you guys supporting this kind of element? Why are you guys supporting this cabal? And tomorrow now go they cry, say Nigeria not good. Say rice go up. Say beans go up. Say gari go up. Say you already see money take buy fish again, ordinary fish. Nigeria people, they already see money buy them because of the bad government you want to vote in and when you still they clamor for. Now, not only that, the result matter on that one still they where you do when we say they don't carry another picture again now they re-Buhari picture take put inside the new result when they put and it still look different to this Jubri. So Nnamdi Kanu, when they lead IPOB, when the leader of the IPOB, okay, is the leader of the IPOB. Nine talk say in the come making unmask this Buhari, make we do operation open your cap. Operation say that day heaven and earth go come down because he have to make sure say this man they put them to in place. So my brothers and sisters, una go tell me say all these cabals they don't know this thing. They know they're quiet because they want to make money. They still want to win 2019 presidential election, which is not gonna be possible for them because this 2019 election, you know, our people they say if breeze blow, then go see fire nyash. We don't see on Nyash APC. We don't see on Nyash PDP. We don't see on Nyash all the whole senators when they senate house waiting that those ones that they do now dance then they dance from morning to night. Okay, look at this Adeleke. When we say Buhari don't deal with that so-called Jubri don't deal with you. Now still that Jubri you still the glamour for. Today you go see Jubri with Obasanjo. Tomorrow you go see him with Tinubu, this Adeleke, Okorocha, everybody, both PDP and APC, which means this party, their party system is one, but they are just deceiving us. They are one people. Even this one when they go carry Atiku come, Atiku went down rule before, because Atiku will come rule again. Look, Nigeria is perished if Atiku enter that position. We all know what PDP don't do us before. If they go back there again, una go see what una they find. Una be Nigerian people. We don't want change. Because Funky D is not supporting anybody. I not get time. I not get on our time. Una go see waiting Atiku go take on our eye see if anybody go make mistake voting Atiku for that position again. Atiku and Buhari today you go see them, tomorrow you don't go see them, next tomorrow you go see them. You know, look, they are one people. Obasanjo went and even endorsed this same Atiku. Now again, he never even read 3 weeks when he endorsed her in the talk say, he don't know whether I make it withdraw back. These are the people that destroy your country. These are the people that took all away your money. Even that Madueke, when carry that woman, I never see woman when they rob like when don't rob like that Madueke. Money when that one carry, he go reach to the Nigeria. The Nigeria go better. In fact, American people they come they watch Nigeria like the way when they watch movie. He reached to build everywhere, fly over the whole road, electricity, everybody go they even the chop belly food put. Now one person carry. You know the whole Nigeria. Even in your toilet, tie everywhere, the corner, backyard, everywhere of your house. Every street, in every community. The morning when that Madueke carry about 60, about $70 billion. That one as Martino, not the one when we hear. The one when we not sing. All the whole president, what the governors, what don't they get in that country? All the morning when they don't carry, brother, and no, see they vote them. Then go come up for that. Then go Senate House. Then go come after they don't do it. Then go Senate House. They just recycle this old people for you, and you just say, it get money. Okorocha get money. Obasanjo get money. Now our money. Not be their money. Okorocha hold our money. Obasanjo own Nigeria. Fashola now our money they get they hold. What did they call this man? Tinubu now our money. They don't have no money. They don't have no money. Make them just stop deceiving people. You guys don't have no money. Now Nigerian money now no carry people for pockets in our own, and that should come to an end. Come this 2019 election. Una no say. In fact, I just dey hear that one again. No, see, even Sef Aisha Buhari, this cabas them pursue her come out for Aso Rock. Aisha Buhari did not dey Aso Rock for a long time. They tell us if you talk, quiet. Aisha with the children, then they outside. They not they inside Aso Rock. Anybody when they tell you say Aisha Buhari dey for Aso Rock, na lie. Onegu kwage wayo. So these people, they just got that mind. This is I never see this kind evil before. Got that mind. Go carry Jubri, impose the man on Nigerians. The man just sit down for us up there. We have all these lawyers and ministers and barristers and this and that. Nobody they talk about that. Do that. This Tinubu them, this Obasanjo them, then go continue to the loot. Then go do budget, then go see budget loss. Where you don't see that thing before? Which country you don't hear say their budget where they don't write already, they lost it? Which country when you hear say they go commission something 200 times, you no go see anything in that place when they commission? Not in abroad here. You know, you build first before the commission. The thing will complete. Let's say, for example, you want commission hotel. Hotel go dey standby, but we when be Nigerian people own our own. They go commissioner, and nothing go dey there. The project go just dey like that. They carry the money. So tomorrow they go dey come dey like us, and to that tomorrow, we go they vote for these people. They shout and they say that too much. Too much. Come on, man. Time don't pass for all this kind of thing. It just be like say we don't know what they do again. But Funky D know what they do. That's why they tell them, I say, me, I'm not a politician. I don't support nobody. I don't support APC or PDP. In fact, I don't know them. I don't know them. I'm on my own. You know whether they carry your vote, go vote that person. Now you know. Not say Funky D not want you. Not say Funky D not talk. Funky D here say Nnamdi Kanu say the person when they for that position they call Asuro presidency, our president, say the man come from Sudan. But my own question to Mr. Kanu be say, this man wey they call Jubri, he not get second name. Waiting being second name. If you they tell us say Buhari, you won't condone operation open your cap. You won't come unmask and make we see that thing here, because I hear say this one, the other one here cut, this one here not cut. I be this one here cut, the other one here not cut. Oh, this is not this one with the story when Funky did it here. So Nnamdi Kanu, Jubri not get second name because you said you have all the whole evidence that you're going to let the whole world know what is going on, that you're going to mask him. Even though we go mask the Jubri rich in Yash, we go mask and rich in Yash, because you don't think when this APC and PDP, when they do pass themselves in that country, you don't think when they cheat us, you don't think when they lie to us, you don't think when they carry our money, they run, go abroad, go hide. Enough is enough, ladies and gentlemen. Enough is enough for Nigeria. Make we just join hands together, make we unmask this person. Make we unmask, make we just do that operation, open your cap. Okay? Now this story again, when Funky D don't hear, Funky D can't say, make he can't tell him people will never hear, make them hear and well, say the president, when they for Aso Rock, say him in name, na Jubri from Sudan. Now the thing, when I can't tell them. So ladies and gentlemen, I gotta say bye to everybody. Okay? Good night. One love.